It's a new day, and we are still here. Happy Tuesday, Kings. Happy Tuesday, Queens. Welcome to another edition of Evolve with Dr. Nikki. As we continue to journey on our individual journeys of life, it is critical for us to remember that we all go through stages of life. And in our stages of life, we all evolve. We evolve into our greatest. We evolve into our best. We evolve into the place of destiny, where destiny and passion collides. As we evolve, it's important to remember that we rebuild, that we renew, and that we rebirth. So yes, things are going to change. Our circles will change. Our investments will change. But one thing that will not change is you being you. So stand up, embrace all of you in every circumstance, and remember that as you evolve, you are becoming the best version of you. No one else can be you. No one else can do what you're assigned to do. So brush it off and keep moving. Remember, there is life after this. Have a great day.